वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये जो व्लॉग है वो 26 नवंबर का वीडियो है। एक्चुअली मैं एक व्लॉग बना रही थी विच विल रियली टेक लॉट ऑफ टाइम। सो तब तक मैं बिज़ी हो जाऊँगी, फिर से मेरे लेक्चर्स चालू हो जाएंगे एंड दूसरे लेवल के एग्ज़ाम्स के प्रिपरेशन चालू हो जाएगा ऑलमोस्ट। सो आई थॉट वाई नॉट लेट्स अपलोड दिस वीडियो नाउ एंड दैट देखते वो जब होगा तब अपलोड कर लेंगे इफ़ पॉसिबल। सो टुडे आई एम व्लॉगिंग दिस व्लॉग और ये जो वीडियो है वो 26 नवंबर का है। So as you all knew that I was preparing for an exam and that's the reason I was not being upload any vlog on my channel, any video on my channel. So finally 21st November को मेरा एग्ज़ाम डे था एंड 26th November को उसका रिज़ल्ट आ गया एंड that day I was vlogging, so I thought because obviously वो first मेरा competitive exam था and I was very much excited. At the same time I was nervous. Obviously result के time सब nervous होते हैं, वैसे even I was a bit nervous and I thought why not let's capture this moment. And I thought let's since you all were part of this, since you all knew that I was preparing for an exam and many of you all messaged me about my result and many more questions, the first to watch this vlog and then I'll answer to all the questions. So guys, आज है 26th of November और आज मेरा रिजल्ट आने वाला है. Let's see. अभी आने वाला अभी. It's 3 ऑलरेडी और अब तक नहीं आया रिजल्ट यार. Error. Let's try later. Okay, so I hope I'm audible first of all. Second, जैसे आपको पता है घर पे काम चल रहा है, so मैं उतना सा बाहर आई हूँ एंड अभी ट्राई करते हैं. नाउ इट्स 3:30. ट्राई करते हैं अभी होता है कि नहीं. एक सेकेंड फिर से ट्राई करते हैं. Okay, आ गया. Finally the result is out and yay, I've cleared it. You can see it over here. Pass. And finally cleared the first level and I'm very happy obviously. So many of you all messaged me that how was the paper, whether it was very difficult or whether it was easy, or how was the paper and how much did you work hard, did you study for 10 hours and many more. So first of all, none of my friends were ready to give this exam, but since I wanted to try rather than regretting it later, so I thought I want to give this exam and I will give this exam. And everything was new, new teachers, new friends, and everything was so new. And first of all, सब कुछ online था. तो सिंस सब कुछ ऑनलाइन था तो फ्रेंड्स बनाना इतना ईजी नहीं है ऑनलाइन. So it was quite a little bit difficult in the beginning. But then luckily I could make very good friends and it was very easy for me also to clear all my doubts. And वैसे भी teachers तो थे ही clear करने सब doubts. But when you have your first level, I was not very, I didn't really work very hard if I tell you the truth. What I did is I used to study, revise ऑल दैट विच वॉज थॉट इन अ डे, जो भी आज के लेक्चर में सिखाते थे वो मैं रिवाइज करती थी घर पे, और फिर जो भी नोट्स मेंटेन करने बोलते थे वो भी करती थी. एंड आई हैव नेवर बंक्ड एनी लेक्चर, और आई हैव गिवन ऑल द टेस्ट एंड मॉक टेस्ट भी दिया है. एंड ऑब्वियसली ऐसे थोड़े बहुत किए हैं, बट मैंने कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नहीं किया, आई मीन टू से. एंड सिंस इट वॉज अ फर्स्ट लेवल, ऑब्वियसली और ये नेक्स्ट लेवल पे, ऑब्वियसली जो नेक्स्ट लेवल होगा उसमें ऐसा नहीं होगा. यू हैव टू रियली वर्क वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट इनफ सिंस आई गेव लॉट्स ऑफ एग्जाम्स, सो आई थॉट कि क्लियर तो होगा, सच बताओ तो. एंड बट स्टिल नर्वसनेस तो रहती है अंदर. ड्यूरिंग द एग्जाम रिजल्ट टाइम था वो नर्वसनेस. एंड that's it. I do teachers, and they taught so interestingly. They used to teach with so best examples, and I think so because of that I have cleared my exam. So yes, for some it might be very difficult, and for some it might be very easy. So at the end it's on you, and the paper was obviously like a competitive exam. Competitive exam hai, easy to nahi hoga. And it was not also very difficult. So to all the students out there who are confused whether should I try or whether should I not only this competitive exam, any competitive exam in any field or whatever is your passion, if you are confused, I would just suggest is at least try than regretting it later, because at the end you have lots of reason to give up. So stay strong. एक कोड था जो हमें सर ने बताया था एक सेमिनार में, which really motivated us, and that was be stronger than your strong excuse, because we have lots of excuses to not to do. So be strong and go for it rather than regretting later. At the end it's your life and it's your decision. So negative log rahenge, negative comments aayenge, so that must not demotivate you. Stay positive, as I always say, stay positive, stay happy. And with this I end my vlog, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And stay positive, stay happy, take care of yourself, and see to it that you don't hurt anyone. Bye bye.